Hello everyone! In this MockFlow IdeaBoard AI tutorial, we'll learn how to create a work process flow diagram using MockFlow IdeaBoard AI in under 2 minutes. Log in to your MockFlow account, go to your dashboard, hover over New IdeaBoard, select Generate with AI, and enter your prompt. In this example, we will enter a prompt describing a work process flow diagram for a software development firm to streamline project workflows and approvals. Then, click Generate. Your AI-generated flowchart will appear instantly. You can now collaborate with your teammates directly on the board by customizing arrows, adding shapes, changing colors, and more. With MockFlow's IdeaBoard, teamwork becomes seamless as everyone can edit and refine the AI-generated flowchart together in real time. The recruitment process flowchart for a software development firm has been successfully created using MockFlow IdeaBoard AI. You can also rename the project by clicking on the title and saving your changes. That's it! You've created a complete B2B sales process flowchart using MockFlow IdeaBoard AI in just 2 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.